all anti the nails because I am gonna do half and half of peacocks and great. 30 seconds. And let's do another. We did 4 others. I took 4 of them out, so then we got not gonna get it like confused. Let me do this one. Like AB. Oh. Let's try, give each of them a try and see how it turned out. I'm gonna do this one, the peacock, and the AB. Looks stunning though. Okay, give it to me. Okay, so questions. Where do you know what size you're gonna do when you see this? Is freaking shiny. This is gonna be on the top. The matte is gonna be on the bottom. So I am going to using that. Sorry. Great. So make sure you give it a good rub on. Look at that, it's already chamfer. Only spot in the cuticle if I don't apply it on. But it looks so nice. You see the changing effect, and it's completely chamfer. Look at that. It's only in that spot. Okay, we'll show like 5 different nails, 5 different designs on that. And then there's our cute peacock tails. Maybe I will do you can lay over them. Not quite. You can, it's only stick on to wherever you have your chamfer foil gel, I mean. So you don't have to worry about to like have to be perfect layer them. Make sure you get, here's a bad tip and trick. I can get the piece of paper, rub it in. Oh, I should cut it, but because they're long, so I keep coming off on me. Transfer everything for me. Lay them back up. Unless I don't have the gels on it, then it doesn't stay. But if you see that a missing spot, you just light them up. Not bad. Looks good. It's really long because I keep dragging that I should cut it at the first plate, but I'm not worried about it. It looks really stunning anyway. Ooh, so cute. So I am going to using with condensed glue gel because I can't go home without dress this one up. So I am going to dress it up with all of you. Applies a good amount because I think I am going to do is mostly on this diagonals, but you know, I always plan on it and then I end up doing a lot of more. Which is on this case, we don't want to expect to cover this whole entire peacock tail, so do not worry because I will not go overboard. I'm gonna do some extra, but not much. Great. Make sure you give it enough of condensed glue gel. Don't using little and don't do too much. Too much is gonna float your crystal, and then too little is might be not enough. So no wipe top coat. I have it right here on my side. Ah, sticky on my hand. There you go. This is live video, so it might a lot of mistake you seeing it behind the scene. It's not like a video we're editing. So thank you so much for being so patient and supporting. Awesome supporting. All right. So I am going to use this guy right there. I don't know. Either way, it looks great. Wait a minute, don't run away from me. Using my frame right there. Nope, long one. That's it. Which one did I use? I used a gold one already, so I'm gonna go into using a silver. Because in like each video I'm gonna share with you and using a different using a different colors of the metal beads, because a lot of you were asking, you know, like you see me do a lot with the golds, and what about silver? Here you go. I'm gonna share with you all different colors, so then you can see a lot of design you can do with each different metals. This is how everybody doing today, Thursday. Everyone's hanging in there. Please stay home, be safe, and stay positive. And enjoy our live videos every night to keep up with what's trendy out there, and having fun each time. And like if you want it using a different crystal, I think it looks good. Also, I always like ABs. To me, my personal, I using a different colors as well, but feel like AB is a lot going on. Like yesterday when I seeing it, it's just so much sparkle, but then it's always look good no matter what. You can't never go wrong with the AB crystal. I'm just having fun with this. A lot are going on. You feel a lot in there, but I'm using a smaller crystal. Smaller crystal going a long way. Okay, I'm gonna put the beads. A lot of questions. Here's a questions sent it to lovely beginners, like how can you place the beads and how can you place a crystal? So I was repeating it and sharing it. As long as you keep your crystal placed tight together, and the closer, the tighter you do, the better, the longer your design is gonna last. So it doesn't matter what shape you're using, what colors of the crystal you're using. If you place them really tight together, it's usually give you a really pretty nice look. Huh? About my what?
Your picker for messy.
Oh, messy. What rhinestone wax pen are you using? We're using a crystal picker. You can see that I rub mine like so much because I'm using a stick on it, but it's last. I believe you can replace this, and then from us that it fit perfect with this one, so you don't have to replace your. And then the end is a dot two. On this side is the wax picker. It's picked really precise each time, and I love it. And every time if you want to need to move your crystal, your adjusting your crystals, then you just need to using the other end, which is also the dot two, and also the precision side. So then that way you can adjusting them without touching on the glue gels. Because you try not to touch on the glue gel, you can do it. You can using like the glue gel can touch it on metal bead charm chains, but try not to get it on your crystal because it's gonna changing and it's gonna kind of make your crystal dull and take away from the shines and the cut of it. So it's called crystal picker. Macy, right? All right, so I think I'm really happy with this. And if you're not, you can bling them out however you prefer. I think there are no limits of what you want to do with your design, and it's gonna look great no matter what you come up with. I think I'm gonna do just a little bit right here to get that. And I love the tiny little guys like SS3 and 4s. I can do so many with that. Okay, this one need to adjusting a little bit. So before you place them under the LED lights, make sure you double check, and if you're happy with this, then you here. If you're not, you can adjusting it. However, until you're happy with this, do not settle if you're not happy with this. Wipe on the side to remove most of the extra glue gels and the top coats that on the side. So keep the shape of the nails nice and precise. Okay, great. Here looks not bad on my side because it's hard for me to seeing it from over far away. I think I'm good with that. Awesome. Here, please. 60 seconds. We did good with this. So now we did like by theme. We're also doing it by different shapes. So then you can see how variety and how versatile you can do with different shapes. So we are moving to the next shape. You might pay attention on our live videos a little bit more take time, because I really truly want to share with you, not only just to show live. I really want to share and get it down really detailed. So even if you are beginners and you're from far away from us and you couldn't get to see us in person on any trade show, you can really learn so much from each live tutorial. All right, so we have one guide left for this is our beautiful polished rice. It's one of my favorites. I know one of my favorites, you know, I don't know, I keep saying it, not because I'm saying it, just because if I love it and I really look at it and say, oh, I really like you, and usually it's come out really nice and it's being really nice to me. But if I say, oh, I hated you, I don't like this shape, and then automatically it's noticed that I don't like that shape and it's gonna give me a hard time, so I better love it. And it's gonna become my bestie. So double secure this before I move to the next nails. I'm gonna go in between every single crystals and metal beads, and feel free to check them because I check them first, and when I feel scratchy, and I'm gonna just squeeze just a little bit. You don't need to squeeze it at first, but just give a little bit light squeeze. And this guy's precision glue, you can get it from our official website, and also you can get this if you have Amazon Prime. It's gonna ship to you in a couple days. And